Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use the Kling AI Face Model in less than 5 minutes. We'll focus on creating virtual characters since there are already plenty of tutorials out there for real people. Let's start by going to the Side tab and clicking on AI Custom Model under AI Assets. You'll need a Pro or Premier plan to access this feature. Accept the terms and you'll be ready to upload videos. Before we dive in, you'll need to prepare around 1,500 credits, a folder to organize your training videos, at least 10 videos that meet the training requirements. The training process takes about 2 hours, and you'll get an email confirmation when it's done. For your first video, you'll need a front-facing shot, 5 seconds length, 1080p resolution. After your first video, you'll need 10 more videos showing different angles and expressions of the same character. Include things like arm movements, waving, turning left and right, looking up and down, various emotions, etc. Important tips for consistency. Keep makeup consistent across videos. Use the same Midjourney image to generate all training data. Kling is very sensitive to facial differences, even if characters look similar to us humans. While you can upload up to 99 videos, we only need 10 good ones. Here's what makes a video qualified for training. Number 1, natural expressions. Number 2, uncovered face. Let's look at some common issues to avoid. Faces covered by elements, like water. Objects blocking the face, like hands. Unnatural expressions or features. Age mismatches with character concept. Now, let's talk about using your face model in Kling 1.5 text to video. Lighting is crucial here. For example, add fantasy film for cinematic shots. Use documentary style for everyday scenes. Specify natural lighting to avoid overexposure. Try bloom effect for romantic, dreamy vibes. Use dramatic lighting for tense scenes. Include moonlight for magical moments. Some limitations and tips. AI-generated expressions might not always match the scene perfectly. If 3 consecutive videos don't look good, try revising your prompt. Capitalize key action words or characteristics for emphasis. Be aware that adding sea creatures might affect hair rendering. Mythical features like mermaid tails might look different from Midjourney versions. Ocean scenes can be challenging to generate. Multiple character scenes don't work well yet. The system can't handle 2 different face models in one scene. For 2-person scenes, you might need to use Midjourney instead. That's it for today's tutorial. Feel free to share your solutions for multi-character scenes in the comments, and let me know if you have any questions. Next time, we'll cover Kling 1.6 text to video and motion brush features. Thanks for watching, and take care.